This is a quick installation and replacement of the Bosch 11032-531 refrigerator water filter. This is the UltraClarity Pro. Here's where it is actually in your fridge, top right. Pull out and then pull it down at like a angle. See how that? If you hit the angle right, it'll just rest there. All right, then pull this off. A little bit of water will leak out. Make sure to clean that up later. There's the old one, and I'm just going to replace it with this new one. And it's real simple. Just slide the new one in, and then you will feel when it's kind of engaged right there. And then it's just a quarter turn to the right. But you got to push it in, and you'll feel it. It's a tight fit. So push it in, and then replace the cap again, and then you're done. That is a super easy install. And then of course, always run 4 or 5 gallons of water through this, and then start drinking and making ice after that.